Good evening, friends. First, welcome to DURGASOFT. Myself, Dr. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I'm AWS certified at associate level. This is the AWS 40 days of the training I'm providing. Once you registered the course, then every day you are getting class recording videos, class material, and then at the end of the training, you got the AWS interview questions and answers and AWS dumps around 800 pages. You got it. And each and every topic, the screenshot explanation I am providing at the end of the track. Right. So yesterday, one demo session is completed. On the demo one, day one demo session, I explained what the content I have covered in this training program. And also just I am introducing the terminology, the basics of the cloud computing I am explaining. That is in basics of cloud computing. What is cloud computing? How we are defining the cloud computing? What are the advantages of the cloud computing? In the last session, I explained. Fine. Now, in this session, I'm going to explain the cloud deployment models. That is, the AWS is supporting the cloud deployment models or the types of clouds is nothing but it is supported the four types of deployment models. The AWS is supporting the four types of deployment models are nothing but one is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is hybrid cloud, and then the fourth one is the community cloud. Fourth one is community cloud. So those are the types of clouds or the deployment of clouds are there. See the private cloud. The four types of the cloud is nothing but one is the private cloud. Here the public cloud. The public cloud is open to all. Here the public cloud is it is open to all. The public cloud is it is open to all. It is open to all. Here we can access the information by using the internet connection based on the paper usage model. Based on the paper usage model. Paper use model, right? So all the services can be worked out by using paper usage model, right? Here in public cloud, the computing resources who has to manage, who has to operate it means the cloud service provider. So in public cloud, computing resources are managed and operated by the cloud service provider. Whoever providing the service, that person is nothing but cloud service provider. Cloud service provider. So in public cloud, it is open to all for storing and accessing the information by using the internet connection. By using the internet connection. Without internet connection, you can't access your data. You can't access your services, right? How it is providing the services is based on paper usage model. Based on paper usage model. Here in public cloud, the computing resources, that is servers or the networking or the databases, they can be managed and they can be operated by the cloud service provider. Whoever providing the service, that person is nothing but the cloud service provider. So tell me the example for the public cloud. The public cloud example is the AWS EC2 service, AWS Elastic Cloud Computing, and the Microsoft and Google App Engine. Those are some of the examples for the public cloud. Fine. Next, the another type of the cloud is nothing but the private cloud. Here the private cloud, we also known it as a internal cloud or the corporate cloud. We also call it as the internal cloud or corporate cloud. So it is used by the organization to build and manage their own data centers with the help of third-party tools. With the help of tools, they are developing their own data centers. They are using the tools such as OpenStack, and the eucalyptus tools they are using. Fine. Now, that is about the private cloud. Next, the another type of the cloud is nothing but the hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is nothing but the name itself, which is represented. It is the combination of the public and the private. It is a combination of public and the private. It is a combination of public and the private. That is the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but it is the combination of public and the private. Public and the private. So the private cloud, it is providing the partially secure. Why it is providing the partially secure? Why I am saying that the hybrid cloud, it is providing the partially secure is here, why I am saying the hybrid cloud is partially secure is because the services which are running on the public cloud, the services which are running on public cloud can be accessed by anyone. The services which are running on the private cloud, only the organization users, only the organization employees has to use the private cloud one. That's why the hybrid cloud, it is providing the partially secure, it is providing, right? So tell me what are the examples for the hybrid cloud? The hybrid cloud example is Google application sites. Google application sites. Those are the examples for the Google application sites. Sir, what are the examples for the Google application sites is your Gmail. It comes under hybrid cloud. And Google Apps. Google Apps. That also comes under the hybrid cloud. And Google Drive. Google Drive. It also comes under the hybrid cloud. And also the Office 365. Office 365. That also comes under the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud. And Amazon Web Services. Right? Those are also comes under the hybrid clouds, which are comes under hybrid clouds. Right. That's about the hybrid cloud I am represented. Next, the another type of the cloud is nothing but the community cloud. Community cloud is nothing but the group of organizations, the similar group of organizations, they are formed together, they are combined together, they are forming the cloud. Such type of the cloud is nothing but the community cloud. Such type of cloud is nothing but the community cloud. The examples for this, the community cloud is the healthcare system. Healthcare community cloud. Healthcare community cloud. So education community cloud. So those are nothing but the community clouds are represented. Community clouds are represented. Totally, how many types of clouds are there, or how many deployment models? Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud. Fine. Next, one more basic terminology in the cloud computing. In today's session, we are discussing the another type of the terminology is nothing but the cloud delivery models. Cloud delivery models. Here, the cloud computing, which is providing the three types of delivery models which are providing. They are nothing but the service models. The three types of service models or three types of the delivery models are nothing but one is infrastructure as a service. One is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Second one is platform as a service. And third one is software as a service. Third one is software as a service. So those are the three types of delivery models are there, or three types of service models are provided. Now I explained these three types of delivery models or these three types of service model with help of one slide I am explaining. See friends, see this is the cloud delivery models which are providing. Cloud delivery models which are providing. See friends, if we are using the on-premise environment, in on-premises, everything you have to take care. That is everything you have to take care is nothing but the networking you have to take care. Networking you have to take care. Stories, servlets, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, and the application. That is, if you are chosen the on-premises, everything you will take care. The networks you have to take care. The stories, that's also will take care. Which type of servers, which type of the configuration server you are selecting, how you are maintaining the servers, all those things you have to take care. And also the selection of the operating system. Which type of operating system you are chosen to develop your application. Linux operating system, Mac operating system, or the Windows operating system. That is as per your decision, you have to select the operating system also. Operating system also. And also some to develop your application, some middleware tools are required. So what are the middleware tools you are using to develop your application? Which type of platform you are chosen to develop your application? Python, Java, or Ruby, or parallel programming. That is whatever the platform you are chosen, we can develop your platform also. That is, we can develop code and then we have to test it and you can run your application. And then finally, we have to dump premises environment, everything we have to take care. That is all the things. That is whatever I have mentioned here, all those things we have to take care here. Networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, and the application you have to take care. Next, see friends, there are three types of cloud delivery models are there. One is a infrastructure as a service. Second one is the platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Software as a service. Those are three types of delivery models are there. See, if we are selecting the infrastructure as a service, you no need to think about networking. You no need to think about the storage. You no need to think about the servers virtualization. And only your concentration is this part only. This part only. See, friends, here I am providing the color is different. That is, you are not thinking about networking, storage, servers, virtualization. I am given the color is different. This color is managed by others. Others means nothing but whoever providing the service, that person has to manage. You are not thinking about the storage. You are not thinking about the networking. You are not thinking about the servers. You are not thinking about the virtualization. Only your concentration is which type of the operating system you are develop your application, what are the tools you are using, what are the middleware tools to develop your application, and then how we can run it, how we have to test it, and how you can deploy your application. Only your concentration is this part one. You are not concentrating this one. So these are managed by others is nothing but whoever providing the service, that person will take care those parts, right? That is about the infrastructure as a service. So tell me the example for the infrastructure as a service. For AWS EC2. That is, if you are using the EC2 service, you no need to think about the networking, you no need to think about the storage, you no need to think about the servers, you are not thinking about the virtualization. Only you are thinking about which type, what are the tools you are using, what are the middleware tools you are using, how you can develop your application. For that, you are chosen Python or Java or Ruby or parallel programming. That is, we can select the platform and then we can test it and then finally we can deploy your application. Only your concentration is this part, only your concentration. Only your concentration is this part only. Right. That's about the infrastructure as a service. Next, the another cloud delivery model is nothing but the platform as a service. See, friends, up to this part, the others will be managed. See that the others will be managed. Others is nothing but whoever providing the service, that person has to manage. You are not thinking about the platform as a service. You are not thinking about the networking. You are not thinking about the storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware. Only your concentration is runtime and the application. Runtime and the application. That is nothing but which platform you are chosen to develop your application. Python or Java or Ruby, some other things. And how we are run your application, how to test it, how to deploy the project. Only your concentration is this part only for platform as a service. The example is the Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com. Fine. Next, the another type of the delivery model is the software as a service. See friends, here in this diagram, I have mentioned that all means networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, net runtime, and the application. You are not thinking the others has to manage. Others has to manage. Sir, what is your role? What is your part? Your part is only the usage. For using that one, you are paying the amount for monthly the amount. Sir, what are the examples for the software as a service? Now, you are listening my online sessions. How you are listen my online sessions? Using the Zoom app. That comes under software as a service. Similarly, the GoToMeeting, Teams app, right? Those are comes under software as a service. Now, in education, they are using the ERP system. That's also comes under the software as a service. Now you are watching, you are listening my online session using that Zoom app. That is, you are not concentrating to develop the Zoom, how the network is, service is providing. You are not thinking about. The organization, they are not thinking about those one. How it is providing the storage, how the servers they are that. So there are nothing bad. The three types of delivery models are there. Just wait. Yes, wait. I calling to DURGASOFT because due to some internet connection, it is disconnected. Yeah, now see that. Now see that. Yeah, I'll share the screen. So those are nothing but the three types of delivery models which are supported. One is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So they are nothing but the cloud delivery models which are provided. How many types of clouds are there? Four types of clouds are there. What are the four types of clouds? Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud. So they are nothing but the types of cloud. How many types of the delivery models are there? Those are the three types of delivery models are there. Fine. Now, I am introducing the AWS introduction. So the AWS, it is providing the cloud computing services are provided. They are created by the Amazon. So it is a collection of remote computing services. It is providing the web services are provided through the cloud platform. So how it is providing their services is using the internet connection. Without internet connection, it can't provide any services to you. Fine. So when it is started, the AWS is in 2006, it will be started. So how it is providing their services throughout globally is with the help of their data centers, it is providing their services throughout globally. So how many regions are there throughout globally? That is throughout globally, 33 geographical regions are there. 33 geographical regions are there. And then 105 availability zones are there. 105 availability zones are there. Now, when you click on this link, once you register the course, I am providing the class material also to your drive link. See friends, so this link is providing the AWS global infrastructure. So I'll send the link to your chat box. I'll send the link to your chat box. The AWS global infrastructure. You can also copy and paste it. This link is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. See friends, here in this AWS global infrastructure, total how many regions are there? 33 launched regions are there. 33 regions are there, each with multiple availability zones which are providing. And throughout globally, 105 availability zones are there. How the AWS, it is providing their services globally, that is with their data centers. Globally, the 33 launched regions are there. Each region with multiple availability zones are there. And total 105 availability zones are there throughout global. And friends, we had to scroll down this link. Here also it is showing. See, the AWS cloud, it spans 105 availability zones within 33 geographic regions. With announced plans for 21 more availability zones and 7 more AWS regions in Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European countries. They are planning to introduce the AWS regions in upcoming. You have to scroll down. This diagram is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. Now, you have to see these green color circles. They are representing already the existed regions which are providing. See that? They are nothing but these green colors which are representing the existed regions are represented. See that Mumbai region is there. Our Hyderabad region is also there, right? Those are the existed regions are there. Existed regions are there, right? So the green color circles which are representing the existed regions. See friends, we have to observe this AWS global infrastructure, red color marks are also there. Mexico, that is upcoming region. Here, this also. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, upcoming region. Thailand, upcoming region. Malaysia is in upcoming regions. See that. Taiwan is in upcoming regions. So the red color circles which are representing the upcoming regions. That is, they are mentioned here, the 7 more, the AWS regions in the countries, Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the AWS European countries. And 21 more availability zones they are planning to introduce in upcoming. So this link is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. Global infrastructure it is providing. See, you have to scroll down. You are creating your AWS free tier account. It is providing 12 months of the free service it is providing. If you are creating AWS free tier account, all the services will be providing the 12 months of the free services it is providing. So this link, it is providing the free tier limitations which are providing. See friends. So this link I have to explain after creating my AWS account, your AWS free tier account, and then I have to explain what are the limitations, what are the AWS free tier services which are providing. I am explaining this one. Fine. Now, how we had to create your AWS free tier account? How we had to create your AWS free tier account? For that, what are the steps it is required? That is how to create your AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier account, the 3 things are required. One is your credit card or debit card. One is it is required your credit card or debit card. Second one is your mail ID is required. And then third one is your mobile number is required. Your mobile number is required. So these three things are required to create your AWS account, to create your AWS free tier account, right? So fine. What are the steps we have to follow to create your AWS account? So to create your AWS account, first we have to click on this link. That is to create your AWS account. I'll send it in the chat box also, how we can create your AWS account. This is the link I am providing to create your AWS account. Now, when you are click on this link, then it is asking, see that, it is asking, you have to enter root user email address. That is your email address you need to enter. And then you have to enter your account name here. And then we have to click on verify email. I'm not entered because I am having the AWS free tier account. So I have to explain how we have to create the AWS free tier account with the help of the screenshot I am explaining, right? So first you need to enter the root user email address, and then you have to enter the AWS account name, and then click on verify email address. So when you are click on verify email address, then to your mail ID, you got one OTP you are received. You got one OTP you are received. Whatever the OTP you are received, whatever the verification code you are received, that verification code we have to enter it and then click on verify option. See friends, while given your AWS account name, see, while given your AWS account name, how we have to give your AWS account name is, it must be unique. It must be unique. When you are enter your root mail and you are enter your account name, click on verify email option. Then to your mail, you got the code. Whatever the code you got it, that's we have to enter it here and then click on verify option. Click on verify option. After click on verify option, then it is asking you have to enter root user password. And then again, we have to type it to confirm your password. To confirm your password. See friends, while given the password, what are the rules we have to follow? To give your AWS password, to enter your AWS password, to give your AWS password, we have to follow the password must be the 8 characters length. Password must be 8 characters length. And also, it must contain at least the combination of these three. The combination of these three is nothing but the password contains uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and the alphanumeric. Combination of these three, we have to give the password. That the password length must be at least 8 characters length and contains at least the three of the following: the uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and the alphanumeric characters. Fine. That is, we have to give the password and then click on continue option. When you are click on continue option, then it is asking sign up for your AWS. That is, how do you plan to your AWS account? You are doing for business or you are doing for personal. So you are for practicing purpose, you have to select the personal, we have to select it. And then we have to enter your name. You have to enter your mobile number. You have to choose your country and you have to enter your address, city, state, and the postal address, and then put the tick mark for acknowledgement and then click on continue option. Click on continue option. There the second step, we have to fill your details. Fill your details. Scroll down. Here, when you are fill your details, then after that, the next step is you have to enter your credit card or debit card details you need to enter it. That's we have to enter your credit card or debit card number we have to enter it. And your card expiration month we have to specify, expiration year we have to specify. And here you need to enter the card holder name. And you need to enter when you turn on, when you turn off the other side, the card CVV number is there. That CVV number we have to enter it. Billing address we have to specify it here. And then you have the PAN card, you have to put yes, otherwise no option, we have to click on that and then click on verify and continue option. Then the third step is nothing but your card details you need to enter. Then you have to scroll down. Then, so once you are given your card details, already you are given the mobile number also. You are given the card details means for verification purpose, the 2 rupees will be deducted. After 24 hours, your 2 rupees will be credited to your AWS account. Whatever you received, your mobile number, you are given the mobile number, bank linking mobile number. For that mobile number, you got OTP you are received. That OTP you have to enter, and then you can click on submit option. Submit option. After that, again it is asking you have to confirm your identity. You have to confirm your identity at the 4th step it is asking. Then to confirm your identity, you may choose the text message or you may choose the voice call. I am choosing the text message. If you want that voice call, then you can select the voice call also. You can select the country or the region code we have to specify. Again, you need to enter the mobile number. Whatever the security check it is appeared, that security check, you need to enter it. Not this one. In your account creation, whatever the security check it is appear, that security check you need to enter it here. And then click on this one, send SMS. That the 4th step is there. That is again, you need to confirm your identity at the 4th step. So after that, then we had to enter the verification code. Click on continue step. Click on continue option. Then you got this screen, you got it. That is, you need to choose, you have to select the supporting plan. You are selecting the basic support, you are selecting the developer, or you are selecting the business plan. See, you are selecting the basic support it is providing, the free service it is providing. You are selecting the developer plan, monthly you need to pay $29 per month. You are choosing the business plan, you need to pay the minimum $100 per month you need to pay it. So that is, you have to select the plan, you have to support it. Now you are for practicing purpose, you have to select the basic plan, we have to select it. That the free tier account, you have to choose the plan is basic support, you need to select it. Scroll down and then complete sign up process, we have to click on. After that, you are getting the messages, congratulations. You are getting your AWS account and then go to the AWS management console. Fine. After that, then again it is asking, you have to select your role and your interested area, whatever the interested area it is specifying on that, what your interested area, that's we can select it and then click on submit option. Then your AWS account is created. Once your AWS account is created, then the AWS account, the appearance is like that it is appearance. See, you have to select AWS management console, we have to select it. You have to sign into the console. You have to sign into the console. See friends, you have to sign into the console. Always we have to sign in using the root user email address. You have to enter your mail ID. Whatever the mail ID you are given, that mail ID we have to enter. Click on next option. You have to enter your password. Whatever the password you are given, that is to create your AWS account. And then click on sign in option. Then your AWS account is open. Your AWS account is open. This is my AWS account. This is my AWS account ID. This is the account details which are showing at the top right side. It is showing. See friends, in my AWS account, when we click on this link, then those many regions which are supported. See that in my AWS account, it is supporting the North Virginia region, US East, US West, US West region, and Mumbai region, Suhal, Singapore, Sydney region, Canada region. So those many regions which are supported in my AWS free tier account. See, you have to scroll down at the bottom, there are upcoming regions they are represented. Upcoming regions they are represented. In my AWS account, those are the free regions. Those are supported regions which are providing. Supported regions which are providing. See, here they are nothing but recently visited services in my AWS account. Those are recently used services in my AWS account. In my AWS account. Sir, I am creating the AWS free tier account. I am creating the AWS free tier account. So what are the AWS free services which are providing? What are the AWS free services which are providing? For that, we have to click on, this is the link we have to click on that. This is the link we have to click on that. This link is providing the AWS free tier link it is providing. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. That is AWS free tier details which are providing. If you scroll down here, it is providing the limitations of the AWS also. See that it is providing the free trial. 12 months of the free trial it is providing. See, we have to scroll down. Here it is showing the details. Limitations they are providing. See, Amazon EC2 service. Amazon EC2 service. It is providing how many months it is providing the free service. How many months it is providing the free service? 12 months it is providing the free service. How many hours it is providing? Per month, 750 hours it is providing the free service. Per month it is providing 750 hours it is providing the free service. In details also it is represented. 750 hours per month for Windows machine it is providing. The instant is T2.micro or T3.micro instance, depends on the reason it is providing the free service. The instant is T2.micro or T3.micro. If we are selecting Linux or Red Hat Linux or SUSE Linux, that is T2.micro or T3.micro instance, it is providing the free service. Per month, 750 hours, it is providing the free service. Like that, it is providing the details. The compute service under the EC2, it is providing 12 months of the free service it is providing. And then the storage service is there. Here, the storage service is also providing 12 months of the free service it is providing. How much storage it is providing? That is 5 GB storage it is providing. 5 GB storage it is providing. You need in detail also, we can click on this arrow mark. You can click on this arrow mark. See, the database, that is Amazon RDS, it is providing 750 hours. It is providing per month. 12 months of the free service, it is providing the database. What are the database engines we are supporting? MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, SQL servers, they are providing the database engines are providing. 750 hours per month, it is providing the free service. 750 hours, it is providing the free service, single availability zone, not for multi-availability zone. If you are selecting the multi-availability zone, you are getting billed to your AWS account, and then you need to pay the amount to the provider. So it is providing per month 750 hours, single availability zone, it is providing the service. RDS service it is providing. So the instances which is providing the free service is db.t2.micro, db.t3.micro, and db.t4g.micro. So those instances are providing the free services. Per month 750 hours, it is providing the free services. Fine. Database, DynamoDB, it is providing 25 GB storage it is providing. Always it is providing the free service. Amazon SageMaker, it is a free trial. 12 months only it is providing the free service, SageMaker. After that, it is the paid version. Lambda service is always providing the free. The Lambda service, so we call it as a serverless computing. Like that, it is providing the details for the free trial limitation. This link is provided. Right? So that's about today's session. Today's session, I had to explain the concepts. I had explained the concepts. What are the types of clouds I am explaining? Types of clouds. There are 4 types of clouds are there. The 4 types of clouds are nothing but the public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud. And also the delivery models. The cloud computing is providing the 3 types of delivery models are providing. One is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and then software as a service. So, and also in this session, I explained how we had to create AWS free tier account. And then their AWS free tier account limitations. Also I explained. And also in this session, I explained AWS global infrastructure. I am explaining. Fine. So in the next session, tomorrow is the day 3 demo session. On tomorrow's session, I had to explain the concepts with hands-on. Tomorrow onwards, I will start the hands-on. You also create your AWS free tier account, right? After completion of my session, every day we had to practice it. Tomorrow, I had to explain how to launch and connect the Windows server. Using the EC2 service. And also how to launch and connect the Linux server using the EC2 service. I had to explain those concepts one by one services. This 40 or 45 days of the training, I explain one by one future with hands-on. Tomorrow onwards, I'll start with hands-on work. You also create your AWS free tier account, right? See, one of them was asking the question, what will be the regular class timings when it is going to start and end the teach? So already I am specified that it's the 40 days of the training session, approximately 40 days I mentioned. It may take plus 3 hours also, 43 or 44 hours it is taking the time, right? So 40 days of the training, 40 days of the training. The regular timing is 8:30 only. That's only the possible to my timing. That's why the 8:30 is your batch. Anyone have any questions regarding today's session? Tomorrow onwards, I'll start the AWS with hands-on. You can create your AWS free tier account. Have to create your AWS free tier account. If anyone have any questions regarding today's session and the training program, okay, friends, you have any questions regarding the training and the course details, then we have to contact these numbers. I'll send it in the chat box. Right? In the chat box, I mentioned the numbers. You have to contact those numbers regarding the course and the fee details, all those things. If anyone have any questions, if no questions are there, I'll end the session. Tomorrow is the last demo session. Tomorrow I explain with hands-on how to launch and connect the Windows server, how to launch and connect the Linux machine. Linux server I have to explain. Okay, tomorrow is the last demo session. Those who are paid students only, on Monday onwards, they are changing the link. Okay, thank you. If no questions, then I can end the session. Yes. Someone is asking the question. That is, will you really share the dumps? Yes, after completion of the training program, I am sharing the dumps also. See, already I completed one batch. See that on the completed batch, I'm sharing the dumps. In the day one session also, I'm showing the dumps I'm sharing. See that. This is, they are providing the link, AWS 8:30 batch. See friends, this batch is completed. That's why getting the new batch. The class material is there. See, those are the previous batch recording videos. Approximately, I'm taking the sessions, 44 hours I'm taken. 44 days I'm taken. When we click on this material, see that class notes are there. Each and every topic, see that cloud computing basics, AWS introduction, how you are creating your AWS account. In the tomorrow session, I have to explain how to launch and connect the Windows machine, how to launch and connect the Linux machine. That is like that pin-to-pin step I am providing. See, around the 84, I prepared the class material. I prepared. Out of that, 80 are with hands-on are there. 80 or with hands-on is there. See, I am providing every day. The DurgaSoft is providing the class recording videos they are providing every day. Every day class recording videos they are providing like that in your drive link. They are shared the drive link, and then the material I'll take care. Every day class notes I am updated. This one. Class notes I am updated. And also see the AWS dumps are there. When I am providing the AWS dump is at the completion of the training. See here, the dumps are there. Two dumps I am providing. That is, when you are attempting the global certification exam at the foundation level or the associate level, these dumps will be helpful, right? So how the questions are asking, how we have to give the answers. I'm providing the AWS dumps. And when you are attempting to the interviews, that is how they are asking the questions, how we can answer it. That is the AWS technical questions I am providing. Technical question and answers I am providing around the 43 pages I am providing. See that. And also in this training program, at the end of the training, each and every topic, the screenshots are also I am providing. See, that is tomorrow session I have to explain how to launch and connect the Windows machine. For that, how I explain with the help of the screenshots at the last I am providing. Before I am given the screenshots, that is nothing use. Step by step also, however, I am providing the class material. I am providing. See that? See, that is to launch your Windows machine. First, you log in your AWS account, and then we have to select your region. That's why I am selecting Mumbai region. I am highlighting this one. And then we have to select the services. At the top, services option is there. Here under the services, we have to select the compute service. Under we have to select the EC2 service. all the points like that. The screenshots are also providing at the end of the training, right? Friends, you have clear? Clear? DK. You are not mentioning the name clearly. That's why short name you are mentioning. Okay. If no questions, your doubt is clear. Your doubt is clear, right? Yes. Yes. If no questions, then I'll end the session. Tomorrow is the last demo session. The same time we'll meet you. Thank you. I'll end the session. Yes, weekdays only. Monday to Friday only your classes. Saturday and Sunday, no sessions. Okay? Okay. Thank you. I can end the session.